Bob Jones Trail. I had just put my camera rig in my car and was heading back to bring water to a lady that asked for it.
Can you give me some water, please?
What's up? I don't have water. Hey, I might have a water. Let me see. Hold on. As I'm handing over the water, a naked lady carrying a blanket walks by on the trail. She starts creating a scene, yelling and swearing. Less than a minute later, a call for service at the Bob Jones Trail comes up on the scanner. Knowing that police are coming for the lady, I follow to document. When Officer Barrios pulls up, he talks to her for a minute and moves on. He appears more concerned with me and my last cop watch.
Were you talking to earlier over there?
What?
Were you talking to earlier, or like right across the other side about trespassing?
Talk to you like don't go on the past the fence?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't.
So yes or no? Yeah?
Was I advised
Yes.
trespassing? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so the owner doesn't want you anywhere on that property where you just were, unless it's for business. Okay.
What's your name?
Barrios.
Barrios.
Yeah. Okay. Got it?
Is that like a violation or?
She has her blanket on.
She has her blanket on? Okay.
Okay. You know, just so you understand that, right? You got that? I'm taking your knowledge as a yes? Okay. So you've been advised trespass.
She has her blanket on.
Call is active at 5.
Hey, what's going on?
I don't talk to people. I don't like people. Get the f away from me. I'm so
All right,
fucking
all right.
irritated by you. Following me around, being irritating. Go away. I know you.
I mean,
No!
You're-
Get away from me!
you're
God
naked
damn it, what's
out in
wrong
public.
With you?
you're naked out in public.
I'm not naked! Get away from me! Get away from me! Follow
Calm
me,
down.
Stalk me. Don't
Put some
talk.
clothes on though.
Go away!
There's kids that walk up and down here.
Get the f away from me!
Hey, stay away.
You are
Back to get some
psycho.
clothes on.
me!
Look who's talking. No.
Don't follow
This
me.
is public right now.
Don't
You're in
follow me.
public, dumbass.
I'm not public, so you I'm private.
What you just
No.
did is battery too.
I don't give a shit.
Continue on.
What you're doing is what? Stalking, harassment, perversion, voyeurism. Go away.
Sure thing.
Follow me to do what?
I'm not following you.
Taunt?
I was gonna record the police arrest you.
Go! Arrest you! Go away! Don't follow me! Stop following me! I know you! Go away, stalker! Fucking menace! Stop it! There's no right to videotape me. I don't want you videotaping me!
Well then put some clothes on, lady. What the hell's your problem?
Hey, go away! Go away, you stalker!
As it turns out, she is known for this kind of thing. Slo PD regularly makes contact with her and then sends her on her way.
Affirm. We had the RP relay line. They're still inside with the juvenile, and they're requesting a 1021. Okay, I just made contact with the RP.
She was on the trail earlier. A motorcycle cop passed and didn't care. Didn't help her. Doesn't matter. So they're not going to do anything. People are calling, reporting a naked woman. It happened already 2 other times, but they don't want to deal with her. They're refusing to deal with her, so they're going to keep getting phone calls. They left. She's walking that way, the naked lady. Cops left, they didn't do anything. I know, it's crazy, right? Like, I'm dead serious.
They sleep back here. They sleep behind the bank.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. They're literally camped out there, but because the gardeners came this morning,
Yeah.
they moved, but now they're back.
Yeah.
And I couldn't believe what I just saw.
She was completely naked over there. She wasn't covered. Huh?
I thought it was a guy.
No, it was a guy. It was a girl.
It was a girl?
Yeah.
And she did nothing. She saw her
Yeah.
and came in here,
Right.
and then nothing.
I know. Same thing happened on Bob Jones Trail.
What do you do? What are you filming?
I record any police interaction.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, like news.
Well, doesn't that make him do something?
I mean, I thought they were going to, but they didn't.
That's
It's documented now, though. So
yeah. Indecent.
indecent exposure.
Exposure.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So this lady's naked, walking around everywhere. Just blowing in the wind. Cops aren't doing anything. She's known for this.
5-3. I'm gonna be out with Teresa. He's walking around with no clothes on and a blanket. I'm at Auto Park in LVR.
Copy, auto park in LBR. 44, can you respond back?